Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for region in a plane. So show the region represented by each inequality on separate axes, shade the unwanted region, and leave the required region unshaded in each case. Okay, so first let us make the line from y equal to x minus 3. So let us substitute when x equal to 0, we will substitute here, so y equal to minus 3, and when y equal to 0, x gonna be 3. And this is the line, so A, let's draw the line. So this is minus 3 and 0 is 3. Okay, as this is there is no equal, only bigger than, so the line is gonna be like this, not full line. Okay, now let us take the original point, which is 0, 0.0, to the equation y equal to x minus 3. So when y equal to 0, it's gonna be bigger than 0 minus 3. So is it 0 bigger than 0 is 0 bigger than minus 3? The answer is yes. So this is the correct area. So the unwanted is the opposite, which is here. This is the unwanted area. So the region you want is the area that contains the point that makes inequality correct, like this here. Okay, next we got y less than or equal to 2x. So let's make it into the equation y equal to 2x. So when x equal to 0, y also will be 0. When x equal to 1, y is going to be, we substitute into this equation, y equal to 2. Okay, so this is for y equal to x minus 3. And the line, another line we got, okay, the original point here. And when x equal to 1, y equal to, okay, here, this is, there is less than and equal, so we'll make it just straight line. There is not line, straight line. So this is y equal to 2x. Let us find the unwanted. So y less than or equal to 2x. I would like to pick when x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. Minus 1 less than or equal to 2 times 1, which is y, not y, minus 1, here, minus 1 less than or equal to 2. Which is correct, this statement. So this is our wanted area, and the unwanted is the opposite of it, which is here. This is the unwanted area. So these are correct. Next we got y, so let's make it into y equal to 2x plus 2. Okay, when x equal 0, y is gonna be 2. When y equal to 0, x gonna be minus 1. Okay, we got the point. Let me fix. So we got C. So this is the axis. So when x, okay, this 2 here, and one more is minus 1 and 0. Okay, we got it. And no, there is no full line as there is no equal. So I will make it by the ruler. Here is not full. Okay, now let us find the unwanted area, which is will not satisfy the inequality. So we got, this is the line of y bigger than 2x, no, y equal to 2x plus 2. Okay, to test it, let me write y bigger than 2x plus 2. Okay, I will pick this point as the easiest point original, so y equal to 0 bigger than, this is 2x, so 0 plus 2, so 0 bigger than 2, which is, this is not correct. So this is gonna be the unwanted area. Here, this is the unwanted area. Next D, we got 2y plus x bigger than or equal to 6. So let us write as 2y plus x equal to 6. So when x equal to 0, here when x equal to 0, y gonna be 3. And when y equal to 0, x gonna be 6. So this is for D. Okay, the axis. So we got 0 and 3, which is here. And then 6 and 0, which is here. There is okay equal, so we can make it just with a straight line. So this is 2y plus x equal to 6. So let us try it with the origin point 0 and 0. So 2 times 0 plus 0 is gonna be bigger than or equal to 6. So this is gonna be 0 bigger than or equal to 6, which is not correct. So this is the unwanted. 2y, okay, here bigger than, so we will try this equation, origin 0.0. So 2 times 0 plus 0 is gonna be bigger than or equal to, okay, which is does not satisfy the inequality. So 3 and okay, that is. So let us use this minus 1 and minus 1. It's gonna be minus 2 plus minus 1. It's gonna be minus 3. So this is the unwanted because the inequalities are incorrect. Yeah, the unwanted. So because this not satisfy the inequalities, we can double check again if this is true or no. So for 1D, the equation is 2y plus 6 bigger than or equal to 6. Let us pick this point when y equal to minus 2 plus by x equal to minus 2. It's going to be bigger than or equal to 6. So 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 plus by minus 2. So minus 6 bigger than or equal to 6, which is this is not satisfy the equation. So this is the unwanted area. Okay, so wait, so it can, let's change it to double check. As 2y plus x bigger than 6, so let's make it 2y bigger than or equal to 6 minus x, y bigger than or equal to 3 minus x divided by 2. Yeah, this is also the same thing. So let's proceed to E. So here are for the E. So when 2x plus y make it equal to 4. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 4. And when y equal to 0, x gonna be 2. Okay, this is for the E. We got the equation. So when x equal to 0, 4 is here, and 2. There is unequal, so we can just make it a line, straight line. Okay, there we go. So this is 2x plus y equal to 4. So let us test to here. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 0 also, this is gonna be bigger than 4, which is 0. It's gonna be bigger than 4. This is not correct. So this is the unwanted area. This is not make satisfy the equation. Next, last the F. So let us make it as y equal to 1 over 2x plus 2. When x equal to 0, y is gonna be 2. And while y equal to 0, x gonna be 4. Okay, let us write it F here. So we got 0 and 2, and then 4 and 0 here. Okay, let us find the original point, substitute it. So y bigger than or equal to, so y is 0, bigger than 1 over 2, multiplied by 0 plus by 2. So 0 bigger than or equal to, which is not satisfied. So this is the unwanted area. Okay, there it is. We will continue with the next chapter. Thank you.